Mr. Claus Reviews here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's go. I really didn't want to have to buy this, but I did because my other phone was breaking. We also have a Zag screen protector. The reason I go with Zag is because they have like unlimited, like if this thing breaks, you'd literally just like go back to the store and get a new one. Then we have this UAG. The only reason I got this one, I have no specific brand on which ones I care about, is because it has a little opening right there. So we're going to be doing that all in this video. So let's start with the unboxing. Now this phone is very expensive, especially for somebody who's cheap like me. I'm wearing gloves so I can protect it the best I can. This is how I am with all my phones. Okay. You get to see it first. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Wow. That is a good color. Well, we'll just keep that off to the side real quick. I think there's like a SIM thing. We're just going to cover that up real quick. First we're going to... Okay, they do have some stuff. I thought it came with the charging port, but I wasn't sure. Charging cable. So it comes with a charging cable. Seems to be probably 3 feet. I'm not sure. Put that right there. Comes with register your stuff. I got protection plan with it, 2 years, because I know Samsung. At Samsung, as much as I like you, you have issues. Oh, I could take it out. And then it comes with this SIM card ejector, which is very stuck in there actually. Alright, and then that's all of the accessories. Now let's get to the phone itself. It wants me to just, oh yeah, look at that. Wow. Okay. So I had the S22 Ultra before, so this is completely different. As you can tell, it's a gorgeous phone. I mean, let me just get closer to the camera so you can, I don't know if you can read that. Samsung. It's very square. Okay, we're gonna now open it up. Wow, beautiful. This was what that little film was. So this is the not so perfect, or the imperfect unboxing of the Galaxy S26 Ultra.